A freeware application to measure mouse click speed is presented in this post. Yes, you can even measure time delay between mouse down and mouse up actions. This can be really handy when you need to automate mouse clicking or you want to measure the time required for completing a mouse click related task. The screenshot of mouse click delay software is as presented below and is available for download for 32-bit and 64-bit Windows operating systems. You can download and use this mouse click speed test software to get time delay in pressing the mouse button and releasing it. The software allows you to measure mouse clicking speed by providing you the time delay between consecutive mouse clicks and time delay between pressing and releasing the mouse button.